Questions 17 through 20. Listen to a teacher talking in a science class.
Airplanes made it possible for modern explorers to discover new worlds. One explorer who found something quite amazing while flying was James Angel. Jimmy Angel was his nickname. In 1933, Jimmy was looking for gold in South America. While he was flying over Venezuela, he found something that was, some might say, even more beautiful than gold. He flew over the highest waterfall in the world, a waterfall that is 20 times higher than Niagara Falls. Angel returned to the waterfall in 1937 with his wife and 2 other people. But when they tried to leave, Angel got stuck in the mud near the falls. The plane would not take off again. They didn't have much food, and it took them 11 days to hike to the nearest village. They could have died, but they made it out. And the story made Jimmy Angel famous. Today, that waterfall is known as Angel Falls, named after the man who discovered it, Jimmy Angel. Before we go to recess, let's look at a photo of Jimmy and the falls on page 53 of your textbook.
Now answer the questions. Number 17. What is the teacher mainly discussing? Number 18. Why does the teacher mention Niagara Falls? Number 19. Why did Angel and his wife hike from Angel Falls to a village? Number 20. What will the students probably do next? Questions 21 through 24. Listen to a teacher talking in a science class.
Let me explain part 5 of the test. A lot of you got this wrong. This was the part on the solar system. Number 3 was a little tricky because Pluto was once known as a planet. But from 2006, it has been put into a new category called a dwarf planet. I did talk a little about this in one of our classes.
Why has it changed?
Well, scientists are finding new objects in the solar system all the time. Some of these objects act like planets because they move or revolve around the sun. But they are not really big enough to be planets. So scientists have made a new rule concerning planets. Anything smaller than 3,031 miles across will be called a dwarf planet. Pluto fits into this group.
So, according to the new rules, Pluto cannot be called a planet because it is too small. That doesn't really seem fair to Pluto.
No, I guess not. But those are the new rules.
Now answer the questions. Number 21. What is the class mainly discussing? Number 22. How do some objects in space act like planets? Number 23. Why are some objects called dwarf planets? Number 24. Why does the teacher mention 3,031 miles?